Look at this. What's in here? A lost extension cord. That's not the way to store an extension cord, is it? So what do we got to do? What's the first step?
You untangle it.
Yeah. So this is what you don't want to have to do every time you need your extension cord. So what I'm doing, I have to find the center first. And I have to get all the knots out. What a mess. Make sure you don't have a knot. Okay, you get your one end, and then you find your other. And then you trace it down and find your center. Goody, no knots. Here's the center. You just start wrapping it around that, and you're just going to tuck it through this hole. And then that top, hang on to that. And once we get going, it's easy, okay? Now you can let that go, and that's simply grabbing and tucking it through. You have to do this and shake it out. Then when you get to the end, you just tuck the last two through, and I like to put them together. Keep gunk out of there. Okay, so there's your daisy chain, right? Impossible to tangle, right? So how do we use it? I grab the end. Let's just say I have to just do one little job. I don't want to undo the whole thing, so I just take that little loop out and I grab the amount that I need. Okay, plug it in, do your thing, and then go back to it and just put it back. So no more frustrating tangles, and that should make your life easier. You can just hang it up any way you want.
And it never gets tangled.
It will not get tangled. And if you do it enough, it'll develop a memory, and it almost coils itself up on its own after that. The daisy chain.